The integration demonstrated by OpenAI highlights a major shift toward a CLI-first, agentic workflow for native mobile engineering inside the Codex desktop app. Rather than relying on a heavy graphical interface like Xcode, this setup utilizes the Model Context Protocol, or MCP, and specialized tools like the Build iOS Apps plugin and XcodeBuildMCP server to completely bridge the gap between source code edits and real-time visual execution. The demonstration utilizes IceCubesApp, a prominent open-source modular Mastodon client built entirely using SwiftUI. The native iOS developer loop kicks off with a simple natural language request in the Codex chat interface. Show me the status row SwiftUI previews for IceCubesApp. Codex interprets the project's layout and underlying Swift package architecture. Using XcodeBuildCLI commands under the hood, Codex automatically boots up an iPhone 17 Pro simulator stream directly within a workspace panel on the right side of the screen, displaying the live view of the StatusRowView component. Once the preview is live, the developer can manipulate the UI layout purely with natural language without hunting for constraints or modifiers in a massive codebase. By selecting a text element directly inside the browser-based simulator pane, the developer types the prompt, "Move this to be top-aligned." Operating through file reads and structured output, Codex instantly targets the dedicated feature package file, StatusRowView.swift. It modifies the source code by changing a center alignment property to .top-leading. Using standard SwiftUI hot reloading pipeline protocol placements, the updated layout compiles in the background and snaps to its new top-aligned position on the stream-to-device screen within seconds. The capability extends beyond static visual rendering into functional, automated user flow validation. When issued the command, "Open the Share as Image" option, the agent utilizes its simulator control skills. Instead of just showing code changes, Codex executes the required UI interaction by performing a long-press context menu action on a timeline post, navigating to the Share button, and actively pulling up the app's native Share Post as Image sheet layer. This interactive agentic loop gives engineers the ability to scaffold views, refactor code, and visually verify multi-step user behaviors from a unified terminal window.